Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Dr. Rizwan Saqib from Shama Homeo Clinic, Lahore, Pakistan. Today is World Clubfoot Day. Every year on June 3rd, World Clubfoot Day seeks to unite those affected by Clubfoot so that they can inspire and encourage one another. It is also a day to spread awareness for this common congenital disability. Up to 2 million babies across the globe are born with clubfoot. This statistic makes clubfoot one of the most common congenital disabilities in the world. This defect occurs when a baby's foot twists to inward and downward. Clubfoot develops during the formation of the baby's bones, ligaments, and muscles in the womb. Babies with clubfoot can either have a mild or severe case. In the most severe cases, a baby's foot looks like it is upside down. In over half of the cases of clubfoot, both feet are affected. Left untreated, clubfoot can cause a variety of complications. These complications include arthritis and inability to walk normally. Children with clubfoot might also struggle with a poor self-image. A variety of events are held on this day that enables families affected by clubfoot to meet, connect, and support one another.